So hello, my name is Jakub, and this is actually the first time I'm on Pyvo. I kind of confused it with Fight Club, so I think, you know, if it's your first time, you have to speak. So I even brought my fighting t-shirt. And today I'm going to hopefully get you a little bit excited about DBGR, about DBGR. It's a project you can install right now. And I'll also have a video about it, hopefully. What it is, it's basically an alternative to HTTP clients like Postman or Insomnia if you use them. The main difference is you write your requests in Python using LHTTP, and you just mark them with decorator request, and DBGR builds a documentation for you and also terminal UI that allows you to quickly run the requests. It even parses parameters for you, default values, typing, and everything. So it allows you to very easily run your requests from a terminal. I've been working on it for about a year. I just recently open sourced it, and we are using it in our company because basically we use it as a living documentation of our endpoints, but also to do research on APIs we consume. And because it's in Python using HTTP, when we do the research or when we do the documentation, we can easily share it with other team members and tell them, this is the Python code that you can use to work with our API. And since when they use also Python, then we can just copy paste it into their code. Or our integration tests are all run in Python. So when you do the research, you just take the code, paste it into integration tests, and you are done. There's a lot of things you can do. Yeah, so hopefully you will try it. It's a fairly new project. It's actually the first open source project the first project I open sourced. It's the first project I open sourced that works. So it's worth the try. When you go to my GitHub, just don't look at other stuff. This one is really good. So once again, we even have a documentation and everything, so it's like real stuff. So yeah, try it. Feel free to ask any questions, submit bug reports or anything. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we really like